Hello everyone. Welcome to the Mars Rahu conjunction reading for career advice. Um, for these 20 days, starting from 11th of March, Mars and Rahu are conjunct in the sign of Taurus and in the Rohini Nakshatra. Though this conjunction will carry on till 14th of April, but in this nakshatra of Rohini, it is going to affect our emotions a lot. Okay, so here it's very important for us to understand that our emotions will be hugely affected. Okay, so and that is why it is important to understand how are we going to take our career and money decisions. I have already made a relationship advice for this conjunction. I hope you have watched that video. The link is there in the description box. Now let's go ahead with our career advice from my vice versa tarot card. So the first card is King of Cups, which is a card of healing, calmness, maintaining that patience, really seeing things, being generous, being patient, and taking mature decisions. That comes along with the Fool's card and the major arcana of judgment's other side. So these two cards are actually talking about having that second chance, really moving forward with no pretense, really making an effort to in your career, in your money field, in your business, in your job, in such a way that from today itself you have started working a complete fresh start to your career. Okay, and do take on some sort of risk, think out of box, because this is the work of Rahu. So let's use the martial energy and the Rahu's energy of passion, ambition, that courage, determination, really getting the work done somehow, not really giving up in between, not you simply cannot afford to sit hand on hand, thinking that money matters are not getting sorted, or you're not getting a job, or your business is not faring good. This is an apt time for us to really push ourselves forward. And this card of Fools is also talking about taking on risk in terms of getting into the unknown, really making sure that you really think out of box and take a leap of faith, move into the unknown. Okay, that comes along with these two cards, which are 10 of Pentacles and 7 of Pentacles. So 10 of Pentacles and 7 of Pentacles are the cards which talk about, in vice versa card, they talk about that even if you have achieved so much in your life, people know you, there is a lot of maturity, just like this King of Cups, you have that maturity, you understand the value of life, you understand how business works, how marketing happens, how branding happens, but this is the time wherein you can really add on to your ways of becoming visible to people. Okay, so how would you do that is by taking that review of your work, by re-strategizing few things. You might be working in a direction, but there is a plus direction also. So having that openness is very important, rather than getting stuck with your older ways and older achievements and just getting lured by what you have achieved in the past. It is time to really move forward with that zero in your head that you don't know. Maybe something new, some new skills you can add to your business or into your work. If you are a manager or an executive, learn something new, maybe some online courses or something, because Rahu is a very good, Rahu is the Karak of technology and internet. So please go ahead. Also, this comes up with two pages, page of wands with in this vice versa card, it is this page of wands has a phoenix rising. Okay, so this is a fresh energy of regeneration, the contracts, the places that probably you have not been able to crack your interview or crack some exam, or maybe some contract in terms of business, you will be able to, if you really follow this is phoenix, it rises, this it rises from its own ashes. So this is what is happening here, and it actually marks the beginning of a new era for you. Because we have Page of Cups also, so this also is a kind of a healing card, a new beginning, a fresh beginning, and this page itself turns into our primary card, which was the King of Cups. So it is a very mature energy, is actually helping you to take a fresh start and a fresh look towards your career and money. For money, I have drawn two more cards just to specifically understand how our money will fare, and for that, the two cards are Knight of Wands, the other side, the Knight side, and Two of Pentacles. So here, if you can see this Knight, or you can say Mars, is actually trying to take you through the lightning field. If you can see, he's actually moving towards the lightning. So the period can be this period, or the previous, or the period that you are actually going through in terms of your career or in terms of your money or whatever. Probably you would have found yourself stuck, but martial energy will actually help you to cut through this lightning, and get into that field and really fight your battle towards money. So it's a very good time for you to take action. So use martial energy towards moving forward, getting into that unknown. It will give you that courage, and also be a little more flexible, more open, because you might have missed some opportunity, but there are more opportunities coming up. So have this, if you can see this child, he's flexible, there is an infinity sign, so there are infinite possibilities in terms of money around you. It's just that you have to, just like this child, you have to raise your hands and catch that money. There are more opportunities coming up, so just laugh like this child, even if he is juggling between the two coins, right? But still he is laughing, so he is flexible. It's time for you to be visible also to the people. So maybe you can work towards marketing and branding. The ones who are into job, make yourself visible through your new CV or new look to the CV. Just make yourself visible. Just be an outstanding performer. These 20 days and overall till 14th of April, our career and money should really shoot up. It's a very good time for us to earn money and do something really out of box, and being online, attracting online customers, learn new software so that you can market yourself properly. So it's a learning and application, creativity, career, and auspicious time for all of us to earn money. So all the best. Please take care of yourself. Do like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. Bye bye. Please take care.